Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make sugar rock candy at home using an easy method. First, gather your basic ingredients: sugar, water, and a clean glass jar. You'll also need wooden skewers or a piece of string to grow your crystals on. For extra fun, consider adding a few drops of food coloring and a dash of your favorite flavoring extract. This simple process is perfect for a fun kitchen project. Now let's prepare the supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let the solution boil rapidly, as this can prevent proper crystal formation. Patience is key for a clear, effective solution. With your sugar solution ready, it's time to set up for crystal growth. First, dip your wooden skewers or string into the hot sugar solution, then roll them in granulated sugar. This provides a rough surface for crystals to adhere to. Carefully suspend these prepared skewers into your glass jar filled with the solution. Make sure they don't touch the bottom or sides of the jar for optimal crystal formation. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed spot and allow the crystals to grow for 1 to 2 weeks. You'll see beautiful sugar crystals forming on your skewers over time. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove the rock candy and let it dry completely. Enjoy your homemade treat. Also, for those looking to truly change their financial perspective, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.